Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Park the Corolla on a level surface and engage the parking brake, chock rear wheels. Use a two-post or rated jack and jack stands to secure the car before working underneath. Warm the engine about 5 minutes to thin the oil, then shut off the engine and remove the oil fill cap. Recommended oil is 0W20 and total capacity with new filter is 4. For US quartz, 4. 2L. Gather a 14mm socket, oil drain pan, funnel, new OEM filter, and new 14mm crush washer. Slide an oil drain pan under the oil pan and position it to catch used oil. Position the drain pan, remove the 14mm drain plug, and let oil drain until it drips slowly. While oil drains, use a strap wrench to loosen the spin-on oil filter. Loosen slowly to control spills. Loosen the spin-on oil filter with a strap wrench and remove it carefully to avoid spills. Inspect the old crush washer and replace it before reinstalling the drain plug at 29 ft-pounds. Prepare the new OEM spin-on filter by smearing clean 0W20 oil on the rubber gasket to ensure a seal. Lubricate the new filter gasket with clean 0W20 oil and thread it until gasket contacts, then 3/4 turn. Reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer and torque to 29 ft-pounds. Refill with 4 US quartz, 4. 2L of 0W20, check level with dipstick, and add small amounts as needed. Start the engine, inspect undercarriage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.